Hi? Over here. I can't see if you're trying to pounce. Could see it then though. And then you die. They really give you a path to dodge these things.
Yes.
I mean, they die in 2 hits. No, it's not 2 normal short slashes, it's 2 long attacks, but...
Uh-huh.
Nice. Good reach there. Also, what was the... Nothing. Okay. Oh.
Go on, boy.
Nice. Easily could have missed that.
Skiffy.
I mean, why would I want to skip them? They die so easily. What's through here then? Goldfish.
Oh.
Ow. Just goldfish. Wait. That one's too helpful. Ah, okay, that's what I heard.
Oh.
There we go. They're so easy to kill, it's unbelievable. Oh yeah, use this swing to, you know, skip that one tough enemy. Right. Okay, I'll just keep running, I guess. Is that the item?
Oh yeah, this has gotta be it. Wow, she was right. I was expecting some sort of trap thing.
Yes.
And there it is. I'm not sure if that stopping is good or bad.
Bad. Definitely bad. Also, just, I'm done with justice.
Now that's nice.
Whoa. Whoa. Run. Much prefer kits, so. Kits it is. Do I really have to climb all the way up? No, I just have to get up there. God. Stupid nose. Nice.
Bonus.
Good save there. Good save. And now where am I supposed to go? I don't think you could go up. So we go down instead. Great.
Nice.
Nice indeed. No, just fall down. Thank you.
Well, if it isn't the punk, woman with the sword.
That's not great.
Hey, it's the boss of the red pajama pants party. Thanks for the heads up on the giant monster attack.
Doesn't look like it gave you all that much trouble.
Not with Skiffy about.
Look, kid, I hate to do this, but it's my job. Hand it over, please.
Nope.
What? Some thanks for trying to help you guys. What's so special about this thing anyway?
I'm paid to not ask questions.
You do know that I'm not going to get paid now thanks to you.
So why give it over?
Make sure it gets there. If it makes you feel any better, you won't need to worry about money anymore. Take care of her, then meet me back at the base.
That's it. You're off my friends list.
Sorry, kid. We're just trying to pay the bills. You understand?
No, I don't.
Just cut him off. Come on.
It's only a girl.
Oh, we're back to that now. It's only a girl. Great. Really fancy animation, and it's hidden. Nice. Also, I'm pretty sure that that special has something to do with me holding right trigger. Because I did that both times, which is also the wrong button, so... Yeah, I don't know. It's something with right trigger. We'll see it when we see it, I guess. Right. Get up there. Thank you. As if he's good. There we go. Nice. Sweet. It is definitely right trigger. And we just fly off.
Ballard, I need your help again.
Oh, do you have someone else you want me to help? That'll turn around and try and kill me. Your Saw buddies aren't in my good books right now.
What? No, it's nothing to do with the Sullers. There's a pack of Vorhund in the area that's been attacking farms. I got a ping that they're heading over to the farm right near you.
Vorhund? Yeah, no thanks. I've had enough of them for one day.
Farmers, Ballard. They're attacking farmers. I consider it a personal favor.
You're just a big old softy, really, aren't you?
Neat. So really, she's just helping around everyone. It's like, whoever needs help, I'll help. She's crazy that way. But, oh well. But, I'm gonna call the set here. Seems like a good moment. So we completed episode 1 of 2. You know, episode 2 being the last of episode 1, I guess, of Blade Kitten. So maybe whenever they do, if they do, and I hope they do, release an episode 2 that will be in-game episode 3 and 4, or something, I don't know. But, yeah, really enjoying this. That boss fight was really good. It was really cinematic, I must say. Let's call it that. And just, you know, Kit's character is pretty great. So, yeah, looking forward to more. Looking forward to more, for sure. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you guys next time. See you, dudes.